First, you need a chemical mixing bowl. Secondly, you need a EPA certified barbicide. You're going to take the bowl and mix a 1 milligram of barbicide in the bowl. The smaller amount is better due to the congestion of the solution. Add about 2 milligrams of water into your bowl. Then you want to stir nicely. Next, you're going to want to plug in your clippers without it being attached to the bowl or water or barbicide. Now turn the clippers on for a minimum of 10 seconds while submerged.
Oh, like, if you want to use that, is that, like, you bought it a long time ago? Yeah. You want to use it?
Right here, I slowly use the guard trimmer up and down to fully get the blade. Now you'll want to shake the clippers while turned on to get all the extra hair. Now here I'll sanitize the blade clippers as well.
Yeah. Okay.
Shake and press on at the same time. Make sure the lubricant gets a wide variety of it. Now within the same solution with barbicide, not to waste it, use your clipper guards to clean the guards. Now we have a full sanitized set ready to go. Barber 101. Same with scissors, except use spray.